Woohoo! Hi everyone, Skatz here with a very simple and quick keto no carb recipe. Pigs in blankets with a roast dinner and then leftover spicy piggy breakfast with fried eggs and goose and duck fat. Absolutely yummy. So this is absolutely perfect for the Christmas/holiday season, but not exclusively. You can have this anytime. And I actually used it for 2 meals because it's perfect for a leftover breakfast the following day. So I'll tell you what I did for both of those meals. Welcome to the Liz and Skatz channel. Today's recipe then is for pigs in blankets. Now some of you might have a different name for them because I know that in America what you call pigs in blankets are what we call sausage rolls here in Ireland and in the UK. And they have the kind of the pastry case for the blanket. But this recipe I have is also perfect for making the filling for keto sausage rolls. For this video though, pigs in blankets are the keto version of the way I always have them with Christmas dinner. So here goes. Ingredients first then. For this recipe you will need 1.5 pounds of ground pork, minced pork, however you say it, 1 packet of streaky bacon, 1 teaspoon of dried sage, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now that's optional because some of you don't like it spicy. I'm tempted to put 2 whole teaspoons in there because I like mine spicy. Then you'll need some cooking fat. I used a bottle of goose fat, but also we'd been cooking duck 2 days previously and I'd saved the duck fat, so we got to use that too. Great mixture. So what do you have to do? Well, very, very simple. Measure out first of all and mix together the dried herbs and spices and the salt and pepper. Then put the pork mince into a large bowl and add all of the dry mix. Then get in there with your hands and get messy with it. It's the best way to mix food. Make sure you squish it well and distribute those spices evenly, otherwise you'll suddenly get a hit of sage or chili when you least expect it. It's kind of like foodie Russian roulette. Surprise! Best to mix it properly. So once you've done that, grab a handful, make it into a sausage shape. Try to keep them even, nicely even so that they cook evenly. Then wrap a piece of streaky bacon around the sausage and put it onto a greased baking tray. Now, as you can see, I had some mixture left over, so I just made some sausage patties flattened down. Now, important note, when I cooked these in the oven, they came out a little bit dry. 2 reasons for that. Number one, I probably cooked them for a little bit too long. I left them for about 40 minutes or possibly more. I was busy carving the chicken and making a sauce at the time. The second reason is that unlike normal sausages, there's no skin to hold in the fat. So 2 possible solutions, which I'm going to try next time. This is all an ongoing experiment. Either I'm going to pan fry the sausages and the bacon separately and then wrap them up to serve, or I'll brown off the sausages in a pan first before wrapping them in the bacon and putting them in the oven. That way they should hold on to at least some of the fat. Or, and I don't know whether this will work, so it's just another experiment. Tell me in the comments what you think. You could try using some chicken skin to hold in the sausage meat. You'd get a crispy finish to it and a bit of the chicken flavour. Sounds tempting. I've got to give that a try and I'll let you know how in a different video. I love the taste of chicken and bacon together as well, so I can't see why it wouldn't work. We're having cockerel for Christmas dinner this year. That's juicy and that's rich. Yummy. So cook your piggies in a preheated oven to about 180 degrees C for about 35 minutes or till you can tell they're all browned and crispy, and serve with your roast dinner. Absolutely delicious. Now, as you can see, I made way too much. So the next day I put a load of goose fat into the pan, sliced up one of the sausages and fried them up. And the goose fat really helped to add some more moisture back to the sausages. To help even more, I mixed up some tomato passata with some chilies in olive oil as a sauce. Although next time I think I'll avoid the olive oil because I already had the goose fat on the plate. and the flavours, I found they clashed a little bit. I served all of that up with 2 eggs fried in the duck fat that I'd saved from a few days ago. We are so lucky on keto that we can have the richest and tastiest fats. Just delicious. So there you have it. Pigs in blankets with a roast dinner and leftover spicy piggy breakfast with fried eggs and goose fat and duck fat and all that loveliness. Brilliant meals. Thank you for watching to the very end. I know this isn't the traditional cooking video where you can see it all being made. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments below. Click on like, click on dislike if you didn't like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Ding! And then you can get notifications of when we're doing some more videos. Ask me in the comments if there's any particular food you'd like me to try cooking and experimenting with. That's all for now. Peace and love and good eating, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!